Gorgeous brand new 4-bedroom home in a great location. Enter from spacious covered front porch with room for rocking chairs. Luxury vinyl plank floors, rockwood burning fireplace, LG stainless appliances, pantries and large island to enjoy cooking in this kitchen. Room for bar stools at island. Master bathroom offers large walk-in closet, separate modern soaking tub and separate shower with frameless glass door. Very energy-efficient home due to blown and open cell foam insulation. Outside city limits with county water and septic lines. Ring doorbell for extra security. Great curb appeal and situated in cul-de-sac with no traffic. Landscaped and sprinkler system to water hole yard. Lots of room for a pool or shop in the backyard. Easy access to main roads yet minutes from town. Nice covered back porch to entertain, barbecue and enjoy the sunsets.